Hey you guys, something really special has happened here at our Jill Wiseman Designs channel on YouTube. You know, when I started this channel, I had aspirations for it, but they seemed like they were really big aspirations and I didn't know if it was ever going to really happen. What's happened is you guys out there have loved our channel and loved all of the projects and information that I've been able to bring to you over the years. As I filmed this video, it's been about 4.5 years since I started the YouTube channel. And what happened this fall was we reached the almighty 100,000 subscribers marker, which is a really big thing with YouTube because a very small amount of YouTube channels will hit that 100,000 or more subscriber level. And YouTube considers it so important that they send out this. This is called a silver play button. It's a plaque that they send out to people who have hit that 100,000 subscriber mark, acknowledging how unusual it is and how important it is and what a big deal it is. And so I'm so proud that you guys have loved the content that I've been providing for you. And I'm certainly not going anywhere. There's lots more content coming. But I wanted to celebrate this with you because really this 100,000 subscriber plaque is not about me. It's you guys. You guys made this happen. I just hang out and talk to a camera. You guys are the ones who are out there watching every day. So what I thought it would only be appropriate to have a big giant giveaway to say thank you to all of you guys who watch all the time. So what I'm going to do for this giveaway, it's a little bit different. There's going to be multiple winners because there's multiple prizes. And the prizes are like bigger than you've ever seen before. So let me kind of give you a rundown of what the prizes are. First prize is going to be a copy of my book, Jill Wiseman's Beautiful Beaded Ropes, because this was another important milestone in my career. And so one lucky winner will win a copy of my book. Then this item here is called a beading pal. And way back when I first started the channel, I did a review and a giveaway on a beading pal. It's a wonderful item for people who travel quite a bit. So you have this great beading surface here. It's got the bumper so your beads won't fall off. It's got little holders for lots of different things, like tubes of seed beads will fit in these loops. Tools will fit in the loops. You've got a little pocket there, and then the entire thing will close up and zipper up, and so it's perfect for travel. So I'm giving away this gorgeous gold beading pal. I am going to give away, I have started carrying finally the bead on it boards that I have used all these years on the channel. This is how I do all of my beading at home. I'm not even kidding, I have like 30 of these boards in various colors and sizes. This is the largest size. This is the one that I use on camera every time. And so one lucky winner is going to win one of these large size bead on it boards. Then I'm actually going to bring you in on the hand camera right here on this one. This is a very cool thing. This is a watch, and if you look under the crystal here, you can see that there are delicas. There's a peyote strip in there, delicas. And I just think it's so super cool that you have beads embedded in the watch. So one winner will win this very cool watch. And then the last, oh no, actually I take it back. There are two more prizes. The next prize I don't even have a visual for, but I am going to give a winner every single pattern that I have written, designed and written in my 14-year career. I don't even know how many that is. I probably have, it's well over 100 different patterns, and somebody is going to win every single one of them. I don't vouch for some of those earlier ones. They may be a little harder to read because, let's face it, I got better over the years, but still, every single pattern that I have done over 14 years. And then this right here is kind of the grand prize kind of thing. My buddies at Craft Optics are wonderful people. Craft Optics are, let me show you what this is. These are glasses magnifier glasses that will revolutionize your beading. You know how, we're working with really small beads and everything, and sometimes it's hard to see. So even if you've got your cheaters, sometimes you wish you could just see a little closer. That's what these are. These are a special kind of magnifier glasses. I am doing a review of these glasses, and so you look for that video coming out. They are not inexpensive. I'm going to tell you, they're not inexpensive. It's an investment in your beading. If you want to keep going with your beading as your vision deteriorates, this is how you can make it happen. So I'm going to tell you all about it in the review video, but these are fabulous, and my friends at Craft Optics are going to gift one pair of these glasses to a very special lucky winner. So I just want to thank you guys for the last 4.5 years and all of the time that we're going to spend together in the future. This channel has really seriously changed my life, and it has made me so happy to be able to spread the love of beads and bead weaving, and specifically all across the world. I used to travel around and teach, and I could only teach to so many people at one time. Now I can teach to 100,000 of you, even more than that, through these videos, and it's a really special thing for me. And I just wanted to let you guys know that I really appreciate you. Happy beading.